This is Charlie Burns here. In my house, in my room. I haven't stuck here for about a couple days. Or like 7 days, I don't know. But we had a major snowstorm. And it's like the afternoon right now. And I'm not even in school because school was closed. And but the problem is, I can't go to school today. And also, I didn't go to school yesterday, so they canceled school. They closed school for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which means I'm probably gonna have 2 days this week. And that's ridiculous. Great. Really, really great now. So I don't know what to do. Rather than just stay home and do nothing. If we just find, depending on find this recording, what can you say about the snowstorm that happened on Sunday night? This is ridiculous about this snowstorm that happened. I was hoping for snow, but this is crazy.